Hello everyone, interesting brain test today, and let's solve this together right now. So we have a numeric series and we need to complete this numeric series. We have 4, 6, 10, 14 and we need to find the last number of this numeric series. So let's do this together right now. I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and after 20 seconds we will check our answer. So we have 4, 6, 10, 14 and we need to find the last number. So choose one option and write your suggestion in the comments. So let's try to solve it right now. So I see a lot of numbers, 4, 6, 10 and 14, and I need to find the last number, but right now I don't see any pattern between all of these numbers. For example, if you're talking about addition, we need to add 2 to this 4 to get 6. Right here we need to add 4. Right here we need to get 4 to add 4 as well. So as you can see right now there is no pattern between all of this number 2, 4, 4. So I don't see any pattern, as for me of course. But I see a really good trick right here. If we divide all numbers by 2, so let's divide both numbers, all numbers. If we divide both numbers by 2, so dividing this 4 by 2, we will have 2, the next one 3, the next one 5, the next one 7. And we need to find the last number. So if you know a lot, or if you know a little bit about mathematician, you can see that right here all these numbers is prime numbers. Because what is prime numbers? So prime numbers can be divided only by 1 and itself. Right here 2 can be divided by 2 and 1. This can be divided by 3 and 1, of course, 5 and 1, and 7 and 1. So all these numbers are prime numbers. There is a numeric series of prime numbers and we need to find the next one. But what about the next number? What will be the next number after this 7? So if we're talking about 8 is not prime numbers because it can be divided by 2, 4 and of course 8, so this is not about prime numbers. If we're talking about 9, we can divide it by 1, 3 and 9. This is not good for us. If you're talking about 10, it will be the same for us, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So as you can see there is no prime numbers. But if you're talking about 11, 11 is a prime number because it can be divided by 1 and 11, and it's good for us because this is a prime number. So 11 is our answer. This is numeric series of prime numbers, and let's see, maybe we'll have this option right here. So we don't have any option. Oh, because we need to multiply it by 2. Because if we multiply it by 2, we will have 22. Because right here we divide in to see a pattern, and right here we need to multiply it by 2, because right here we divide in pattern of prime numbers, and multiplying by 2 we will have 22. And let's see, of course we have this option. But what about you? What pattern you see between all of this number? It will be really nice to read about it. My option is option B, but what about you? Write your suggestion in a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.